In our childhood, many of us were captivated by the novel The Lost World by Arthur Conan Doyle, where extraordinary adventures unfolded on a mysterious plateau inhabited by dinosaurs, ape men, and Stone Age tribes. Remarkably, this captivating setting wasn't just the product of the author's imagination. It had its own clear prototype, which continues to awe travelers with its majestic beauty and apparent inaccessibility. This enigmatic place is Mount Roraima, located in southeastern Venezuela, where the borders of Brazil, Venezuela, and Guyana converge. Thanks to its unique shape, this mountain remained inaccessible for exploration for a long time, and its existence was doubted. Roraima belongs to a group of tabletop mountains known as tepuis, named after the indigenous tribe that once inhabited these lands. These mountain formations are characterized by flat mountain tops that rise hundreds of meters above the surrounding terrain or even more. The absolute height of Mount Roraima is 2,010 meters, and its plateau at the top extends over approximately 30 square kilometers. It is composed of solid sandstone and is part of an ancient plateau, estimated to be around 2 billion years old. Despite the overall destruction of the plateau, Mount Roraima and several other tabletop mountains remain its surviving fragments. On the flat mountaintop, one can find numerous swamps, streams, and small lakes. The existence of Mount Roraima was known from the legends of the indigenous Tepui people who inhabited these lands. However, European explorers struggled for a long time to find it, lost amidst the jungles of the Amazon, so it remained a subject of myths for a long time. In this tropical region, there is usually a lot of cloud cover, and Mount Roraima is often shrouded in dense fog, adding to its mysterious appearance. Streams flowing down its steep slopes only enhance this mysterious image, and photographs of Mount Roraima have become a source of inspiration for many works of fantasy.